Hey, I'm Dan, and this is Dan's Planes. And we're back with the P-39 Airacobra by FMS. I banged that up pretty good in the previous video if you want to see that. So I've gone through and I reconnected this elevator half to this elevator half. There's a little plastic piece in here and it popped out, so I just need to pop that back in. I had to foam tack all this hinge here. Foam tack works great for foam hinges and foam repairs. And then more foam tack here and more foam tack here. Had to re-glue the landing gear back in. And a huge shout out, thank you to Matt at the club for printing me a couple of these via 3D. These are, let's see, it goes in this way. Boxes that go in front here, and then the servo goes in there, and landing gear goes in there. So my next thing is to install these guys into here and glue that into there. Then I've got a new prop to put on. Oh, I don't have a spinner. Oh yeah, I do. Okay, my spinner's okay. Whew. Don't know what I was thinking there for a second. Okay, so those are next steps, and then give it a once over again just to make sure that everything is okay, and then plug in a battery and check out that everything is working as it should be. More updates later.